Welcome to J&J's test video of S5 CE 428, 141,000 mile C6 Corvette. See what you get. Looks like it needs a bumper cover, needed a structure, a couple things. Not bad at all. We pulling the motor out, pulling everything you see off. Has a Corsa mufflers on it. Kind of quiet. There's your other door panel, there's your fog lights. Has that silver gray interior. I'll give you some motor show. 141, 270, letting her warm up a little bit. Winter regulator works. Aftermarket CD player, and the heater control works, but the buttons are kind of ugly. This works. Transmission. Let's listen to that motor. Oh, get up there. For a drive. Wipers even work. This ain't a bad car at all. Shifted first, second to third. All right. That's that. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered. Oh. Stay warm.